the benefit with selling it is this is in my Roth IRA.
What?
Yeah. When I sell it, I don't pay tax on the profits because it's in my Roth. I could sell that and go build 10 houses.
Those 10 houses wouldn't stay in your Roth IRA.
They would stay in my Roth IRA.
They would stay?
Yep. And which means all the rent from them is tax-free.
Tax?
And everything else is.
How do you get things in your Roth IRA, and why don't you have your entire portfolio in there?
I'm lazy. You can put $6,000 a year in a Roth IRA. Now, I use a checkbook Roth IRA. All my money goes into my bank. So I write a check on my checkbook for what I want to do. But you got to follow the certain guidelines every year, report everything, and get everything right. But, you know, it's a great method of investing.
Yeah, that's kind of insane.
Yeah. Because tax is why people don't sell. That's tax is why people don't do some of the stuff they want to do. They just can't.
Right.
Can't do it.
1031 stuff.
Yeah.
But you just put it in your Roth IRA.
Yep.
It's literally that. You just put it in there.
Yeah. My IRA owns this property. I don't own this property.
Oh, because your IRA is an association or a corporation.
It's an LLC.
It's completely different than you as a person.
My IRA sits inside of an LLC.
You buy it using the LLC, and that LLC is in the Roth IRA.
Yeah. Now I can't take money from it. I can't do anything like that. So the one thing about the Roth, when you do that, the money's 57.5, I guess, whatever I got to be to get the money out.
Oh, yeah.
So before that, I just got to stay in there.
So you can't even cash out refi?
I don't know. I think I can. But I have never done that. I think I can though.